Molweni, sanibonani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is keeping warm in this cold weather in South Africa, Johannesburg. Hey bethunana, sisasephezulu kwaye indaba yengane zesithembu. This season khona I know iza nesivunguvungu esinye nje esiyi-tornado nje that it is having eyebrow raising ukubana kanti kushushu kanjena ngaphakathi kokuba semathandweni nabosibindi Nkosi yami. Uyasho ke uTirelo last ku-episode yokugqibela ukubana she even drinks pills because of Umpumelelo. Nina bethunana, what are those pills that she meant ukubana she drinks pills because of Umpumelelo guys? If a relationship isiqala ukuba kanje ukubana iyobeka Nkosi yami your own health engqupheni ukubana uzibuze ukubana is it worth it? Like, is it worth it now ukubana omunye umuntu will start to be inconsiderate of your health as i-partner yakhe nje ukubana ukungazivikeli kwakhe kubeka ubomi bakho engqupheni ukubana she says ukubana she states that she drinks pills because of Umpumelelo. What are those pills? Is it depression pills? Is it STI pills? Is it... guys, that is so hectic, honestly speaking. Nampile naye Nkosi yami. Guys, actually you've got no words of whatsoever that she meant ukubana she drinks pills because of Umpumelelo. We wonder what are those pills, because she didn't state ukubana it's amaphilisi of 1, 2, 3. She just said ukubana she drinks pills because of Umpumelelo. It might be pills for depression, it might be pills for high blood pressure, it might be pills for anxiety, it might be pills for stress. Cause guys, no. It might be pill for headache, that headache that is being caused by Umpumelelo. Inconclusive, she only knows ukubana what are those pills that she meant ukubana she drinks pills because what do you guys think are those pills for? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.